though polished aluminum does look good, most of my theme under my engine bay is brushed aluminum. So I'm going to use a Scotch-Brite pad to give it that brushed look. Alright, it fits very, very snug, so you really don't even need the hose clamp. So the nice thing about this tank is it will line up with an original mounting hole. This mounting hole used to be used for the battery rack, and now I don't have to do any drilling or any modifications to the car to mount it. One bolt in, it fits very tight and snug. Not very much play in it. As you can see in the back side of this tank, there's the fill hole where it enters the back side of this reservoir and goes up to the swirl pot. So exit this swirl pot, down the hose, into the back to that fill hole, which it will fill up this tank. On the side you have your gauge to see how much liquid is actually in this tank. If it does overfill, Here is your overflow tube, which will drain out and down there. Alright, with just 4 cups, the hose is all the way full. It looks almost to be all the way to the top. If you get in closely, you can see that it is just right under the overflow hose for exiting out. That's what would flow out into the ground if it gets overfilled. And just to make sure there's no air in this line that goes into the back, I'm going to start filling it up here until all the air is out of that line. Alright, just as a reference real quick, let's just see how much was in my original tank. So I am exactly right here on the high and low level, so I am right below full. Here's full. This tank is setting a little over halfway of full. So let's just see how much it was holding. We got to do it this way. Whoops. So you can see that this is almost holding 2 cups of antifreeze, and the new container is holding 4. First valve, the hose that comes with kinks really easy.